Samsung announced a new smartphone for their fans on 23rd of September, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. It has the same specs as the Samsung Galaxy S20 but has been adjusted to a more affordable price. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE has Gorilla Glass 3 on the front and a plastic back. It is 8.4mm thick and 190 grams in weight. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE has a massive 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display, while the S20 has a 6.2-inch display and the S20 Plus has a 6.7-inch display. It sits between the both phones. The screen resolution of S20 FE is 1080p+, while the S20 and the S20 Plus have 1440p+ resolution panels. The S20 FE screen is still HDR10+ certified and also has a 120Hz display, same as the S20 and the S20 Plus, and you can switch between 60Hz and 120Hz. The Galaxy S20 FE is also IP68 certified for dust and water protection. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G comes with Snapdragon 865 chipset, same as the other S20 series phones. And the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 4G comes with Exynos 990. So if you are getting the Exynos variant, there is not going to be 5G connectivity with it. There are 3 cameras on the back of the phone. It has the same 12MP main camera from the S20, and this module also features optical image stabilization. It has a new 8MP telephoto sensor with optical image stabilization feature. This new sensor offers 3x optical zoom and 30x space zoom. The S20 FE cannot record 8K videos because it does not have the same 64MP S20 and S20 Plus sensor. The third module on the back is the 12MP ultra-wide sensor with 123-degree field of view. The selfie camera is different from the S20. It has a 32MP selfie camera with 4-in-1 pixel binding and is housed in a hole punch display cutout. There are also many camera features like super steady, single take, slow motion and night mode. If you are enjoying this video, a sub to the channel would be amazing. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE comes with a 4500 mAh battery, the same capacity as the S20 Plus, and can be fast charged with 25 watts of wired charging. But you have to buy the 25-watt charger to take advantage of that, as the retail package only includes a 15-watt charger. The company claims that the phone will charge 50% in just half an hour with 25 watts of fast wired charging. And the company also claims that the phone will give you 25 hours of battery life on regular usage. The Galaxy S20 FE also supports 15 watts of fast wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. If you love listening to music and watches your videos on speakers, the Galaxy S20 FE offers stereo speaker setup with Dolby Atmos support. The earpiece speaker acting as a top speaker and the other one is on the bottom of the phone. The Samsung Galaxy FE has an under-display fingerprint sensor. As usual, the phone does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack, but you can find some other features such as FM radio and micro SD slot. On Galaxy S20 FE, the connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, wireless mirroring, NFC, and a hybrid SIM slot. The phone will be available in single SIM and dual SIM versions. Samsung Galaxy S20 FE has up to 1 TB of micro SD card support. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE comes with the latest One UI 2.5 based on Android 10. as Samsung has committed to 3 years of Android platform updates with the Galaxy S20 FE. It means you will get Android updates up to Android 13. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE comes with two variants, 6GB 128GB variant and 6GB 256GB variant. And it comes in 6 colors: Cloud Red, Cloud Orange, Cloud Lavender, Cloud Mint, Cloud Navy and Cloud White. Now let's talk about the price. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 4G will cost £599 and the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G will cost £699 in UK and $699 in the US. So the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE has the same spec as the S20, but there are changes to its telephoto camera, selfie camera, screen resolution and changes to its build. While considering the Galaxy S20 is older, you could probably find it for quite less or almost cheaper than the Galaxy S20 FE. So if you think I have missed something, write it down in the comment. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And if you want to support me on Patreon, the link is given in the description. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.